Tawagin muna natin si Stewardess Saida.
Siding. Okay. Hi. How are you?
I am good, sir.
Good.
Wow.
Okay. Is this good?
It's good, sir. I prepared 2 of our famous, very sticky kakanin.
Very sticky.
Are you a Boy Scout? Because you're always prepared. Okay. We see.
When you please maga-open. Wow!
Oy!
Ang sarap. Sarap nga.
May I sapin-sapin with you? Let us eat together. So, let us sapin-sapin together. Okay.
Like the newlyweds.
Hey, you try.
make subo to her, you make subo to him.
Why do you like subo-subo? No.
The newlyweds, that's what they do. The ceremonial
You're
cutting
very
of the cake.
bad. Oh,
That's
no.
what follows. Subo-subo.
Only newlyweds.
Yes.
Open. Okay, we will taste for you, huh? Iba mga English namin.
Ayaw matanggal.
Telegram. Okay.
You. The wife.
Ako sanay dyan, Starsan ako. Ikaw, subo.
Ako, subo mo.
Ako, subo, Alan. Okay, tira. Ano ikaw sabi, Chita eh?
Sarap. Sarap.
Sarap. Okay. Parang hirap lunukin eh.
Oo nga.
Okay.
Nabigit sa ipit.
No, this is the right way to eat sapin-sapin, ha? You
Pero
watch.
masarap.
Okay. First,
Oo.
you make suyod all dilatek and then you eat.
That's very you.
Yeah, that's very me. Meron
Thank
tayong
you,
apat na
Stewardess
dapat.
Saida.
Thank you. Okay.